Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Okay. Please open your eyes, all of you, and please listen here. And you have to keep quiet. That's very, very
Ma'am,
important. If ma'am
ma'am,
call out your name, you can talk to me. Otherwise, please be quiet. And today we are going to learn how to write the number names of a three-digit number. Number name of a three-digit number. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to write the number name of a three-digit number. I am going to share the screen. Please be quiet. Number names. We know how to write the number and name of a one-digit number and two-digit number. And today we are going to learn how to write the number name of a three-digit number. Now, please listen here. Okay. Number. Number.
I'm right.
No need to write. You was
I'm right.
listen. Okay, ma'am will tell you. Usually, ma'am is telling no, open the book and write. So that much time, please listen here. So today we are going to learn number names or number name of a three-digit number. Three-digit number. It's very important. That's why I'm again and again telling you, please listen here. And we know how to write the number name of a one-digit number and two-digit number. Just revise that first. Okay, listen here. Now, what is the number you can see, Sarah? What is the number you can see on the screen?
5.
5. 5 is a one-digit number. No,
Number.
5 is a one-digit number.
One digit number.
Okay?
One digit
Number
number.
name is 5.
5
One
and
number. That means having only one place.
5.
Okay? Having only one place. What is the place? Ones. O. Ones. O. Now let us see another one. Another number. See.
One more thing, sir.
2, 5. 2.
25.
I said please be quiet. Evelyn, unmute and tell me what's the number you can see on the board. Evelyn, what's the number you can see on the board?
25.
25. Okay, 25 means it is a two-digit.
25.
25 is a two-digit number. Two-digit number means having two places. Two-digit number having two places. Here we can see ones place and tens place. Ones place and tens place. One space the digit is 5. Tens place it is 2. And the number name is TWENTY 25. FIVE 25. Here we will write it together. 2 tens and 5 ones 25. Now next we are going to study three-digit number. Okay, three-digit number. Now I am going to write one three-digit number. 2, 3, 5. You can see here there are three digits. Three digits. Three digits means there are three places. The places are ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds. And the rightmost, that is ones place. This is the ones place. And middle or next we have tens place. Then the next one we have hundreds place. So at ones place here we can see the number 5. Tens place it is 3. 100 place it is 2. Now we are going to write its number name. Now let us divide into two parts. Hundreds part. Okay. Here we can see at hundreds place the digit is 2. So we can write 200. 200. HUNDRED. 200. Now tens and ones place together. That means 3, 5. 3, 5 means 35. THIRT5. 35. Okay, 35. So 200 If you want, you can put and. If you didn't write and also, it's okay. 235. 235. I will explain one more number. Please listen here. Now let us write another number. Let us have another number, and the number is 430. 430. Here we can see there are 3 digits. It's a 3-digit number, so having 3 places. And at the rightmost, the place is ones. So let us put the letter O, and middle we have tens place T, and we have 100th place, that is H. So at 100th place we have 4, 10th place we have 3, 1's place we have 0. Now let us write the number name. First of all, let us write the number, means number name of 100th place. So here we can see 400. So let us write to FOUR, 4, HUNDRED, 400. Now look at the tens and ones place together. 30. 30 means 30. Many of you are not attending here. Megazars, where are you looking? 30. That means 30. 30. That means 30. IRTY, 30. So here we can say 430. 430. The number name is 430. Now, let us see another one. Please, another number. Those who are not listening, please listen here. It's very, very important. That's why. Now, another number I'm writing. 0, 5. 2, 5. Here also, we can see there are 3 digits. There are 2, 0, 5. And also we can see at ones place we have 5. Tens place we have 0. Hundreds place we have 2. Now let us write the number name. First of all, we can write the hundreds place. That means 200. HUNDRED, 200. Then tens and ones placed together. Here you can see 0, 5. 0, 5. Okay. If the 0 is at the left side, there is no value. There is no value. That means 0, 5 means it is 5 itself. Okay. It is 5 itself. 0, 5 means 5 itself. Or we can say the name is 5. So 0, 5, that means 5. So we can write 205. 205 also correct. 205 or 205. Now you please listen here. You may have doubt. See, if it is 06, what is the value? 6. Or the number name is 6 itself. Okay. If it is 60, the 0 is at the right side of 6. So it is 60. The number name is 60. Okay, let me write another one. 09. What is the value? 9. Or the number name is 9. Or if I put a 90, what is it? 90. The number name is NINETY, 90. Okay, is it clear to you all how to write the number name? Now
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
asking you
Yes, ma'am.
one by one. Please tell me the answer. Okay. So for a 3-digit number, there are 3 places. Which are the 3 places, Arathi? Which are the 3 places for a 3-digit number? I asked Harathi. Others, please be quiet. Arathi, tell me the answer. Which are the 3 places?
Tens, hundreds.
Very good. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. There are 3 places. There are 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now let us write some numbers and you please tell me how we will write the numbers. Okay. And first question goes to Johan Judy. Tell me the answer, Johan. Okay. Then 173. What is the number name? What is the number name, Johan Judy?
73.
See, here we can see at ones place, which is a digit.
3,
At the tens place,
7,
at the hundreds place.
1,
So what is the number name? 100.
100.
Now tens and ones together. Okay. 7, 3. What is that? 7, 3.
173.
Very good. 173. 173. Now let us another one. Please listen here. Question goes to Zara. Please tell me the answer. Okay. And the question is 180. What is the answer, my dear? What is the number name? At ones place we have 0. Okay.
100,
Ah. 180. 180. Here, space we have 0. Tens place we have 8. 100 we have 1.
1,
So we can write 100.
100, 2,
100 and 80.
80,
What is the answer? 80 or what we will call 80?
80,
80. So 180.
180,
Please unmute and tell me the next one. Okay. Mohammed Rishan, please tell me the next one.
180,
Mohammed Rishan, please tell me the next one. 275. Tell me the number name. Mohammed Rishan.
275,
You can see at one space the digit is one space we have
7, 5,
5. 10 space we have
7,
100 space we have.
2,
Now tell me the number name. How many 100? Tell me how many 100? 200.
200,
And 75. What is 75?
75,
75. So 275.
275.
Now next question. Idle Maria, please listen here. Your question. 320. What is the number name? 320. Idle Maria. Tell me the answer. 320. Very good. At one place we have 0. 10 place we have 2. 100 place we have 3. So the number name is 300.
300, 200.
300. 300 and
200.
now 10 space and 1 space together. 300 and 320.
200.
320. Now, Rihan Hanifa, this Aisha Nasha, please turn on your video. Rihan Hanifa, it's next question. You have to tell me the answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
178. At one space, what's the number? What's the digit?
8.
8. Very good. At the tens place, we have?
7.
Okay. At the hundreds place, we have?
178.
Please be quiet. Okay. And tell me, Rihan, the answer. What's the number?
100 and 100.
Rihan, tell me the answer once again, please. Here at 100 space, we have 1. So 100.
100.
Now, tens and 1 space together. 7, 8. What is answer? 7, 8?
78.
78. So 178. 78.
178.
Very good. Now, next question, Ayush has to tell me the answer. Okay. Now the question
Yes,
is
ma'am.
419. 419. 419. Very good. So here we can see at one space. Please use your device.
One place, ma'am. 490. Ma'am, right?
Sorry. No need to write now. Okay. Please listen to me.
Ma'am.
So here once again, Ayush, please tell me the answer once again. At one space we have 9. 10 space we have 1, and 100 space we have 4. So what is the number name? 400 and 4HUNDRED. 400 and 19. 1 9 together. So it will come 19. 419. Now, Abhinav MP, please tell me the answer. Okay, Abhinav. Abhinav, please turn on your video and tell me the answer. The question is, one, 6, 5. What is the answer, Abhinav? Tell me the number name. Abhinav, please turn on your video. Abhinav, please tell me the answer. Here we have, okay, tell me the answer. At one space we have, which number, Abhinav? At one space. Abhinav, please unmute and tell me. At one space we have
5.
Abhinav, can you hear the screen? Can you see the screen?
Ma'am, right?
Abhinav, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the answer. Okay. Here we have 165. So at one space we have which number? Which digit is in one space? Abhinav, tell me the answer. At one place? At one place we have which digit?
5.
Abhinav, can you hear?
One place we have 0.
Aisha, please turn on your video. Okay. Abhinav, can you hear, ma'am? Please tell me the answer.
100 and
Okay, I will ask another one. He may be raising the network issue. Okay.
5.
Sandria, others please be quiet. Sandria, please tell me. 165. So at one space we have Sandria. At one space we have which digit? At one space we have here. This is the one space at the rightmost.
I can hear you. 100 and
Sandria can't hear.
106.
I am asking Sandria and others are telling the answer. Sandria, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the number 165?
Yes.
At 165, which is a digit at one place? One space we have 5. Okay. 10 space we have. Krishna Priya, please mute your device. It is making disturbance. Okay. 10 space we have. Which digit?
100 and
Andrea, please listen here. 1, 6, 5.
5.
Okay. At ones place we have. Which digit at ones place, my dear?
5.
5. See, this is the one space digit. Okay.
Five.
And next we have 10
Five.
space.
10.
Then we have 100 place.
100.
So here in 165, the digit at one space is 5. The digit at 10 space is 6. The digit at 100 space is 1. Okay. It is a 3-digit number having 3 digits, 3 places. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Then we have to write the number name of this number. For that only we write the place. So we will start from the hundreds. Here at the hundreds place, the digit is 1. So we will write 100. Okay, 100. Now, Sarah, please mute your device. Okay, 100. Then tens and ones space together we will write. That means 65. What is the number 65? 65 means how? What is the number name? 65.
65.
65. 65 means 65. So 165. Now you got the answer. 65.
The answer will tell is mom.
165. Sandria, now you got it how we are writing the number name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please listen here. I will explain with another number. Aisha, please listen here and tell me the answer. Okay, and we have the number. 411. What's the number name, Aisha?
411.
Very good. 411. Now, please listen here, others. Please listen here.
411.
Here in 411, at ones place we have 1. Tens place also 1. At hundreds place we have 4. Okay, then we are going to write the number name. At hundreds place we have 4. That means 400 HUN DRED 400. Then at the tens and ones place
11.
so 11. So 411. Now, Manav, tell me the answer. Okay, Manav, please tell me the answer. And the number is 181. Manav, tell me the answer. 181.
181. 111.
181. Very good. 181. Now let us see. At one space we have. At one space we have 1. 10 space we have 8. 100 space we have 1. Now here we can see 100. Now tens and ones space together. That means 81. So 100 and 181. 181. Now Ashwin, please, Sunil, please unmute. Ashwin, tell me the answer. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Ashwin, tell me the answer. 3, 4, 5.
345.
Ashwin, tell me the answer.
345. 345.
345. Here you can see at ones place we have ones place we have
345.
tens place we have 4, hundreds place we have 3. And right?
345.
THREE 300
300
and now tens and ones place together
45.
45 345 345. Now let me ask another one. Henry, please unmute and tell me the next one. Okay, Henry. 307.
300.
I asked Henry. Others, please be quiet. I asked you. No, let me ask others. Okay, Henry, please tell me the answer. Okay, 307. So here at ones place we can see
300.
ah.
1440.
See, at ones place we have 7, tens place is 0, hundreds place is 3. So how we will write the number name, Henry? Starting with hundreds place. So 300. 300. 300 and here see 07. What is the value? 307 means 7 itself. 07 means 7. You can write 307. Very good, very good. 307. Now let me ask another one. Another one. Hyan, please unmute and tell me. Okay, Hyan. 370. What is the answer? 370. Others, please be quiet. Hyan, tell me the answer. 370. Here at ones place we have 0. Ones place we have 0. Tens place we have okay. Hundreds place we have 3. Okay. Now we can start with the hundreds place. How many hundreds? 100. THREE 300.
17.
Ayan, here 300. Now tens and ones place together. Okay, 70. What is 70? 70. So 370.
370.
Okay, good boy. Now let me ask another one. Shrudakirti, please tell me the next one. Okay, Shrudakirti, please tell me the next one. We have 417. What is the answer? 417, Shrudakirti. Please unmute and tell me 417. Here at ones place we have 7, tens place we have 1. Okay.
17.
Okay. You are already. It's okay, Shrudakirti. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Da. It's okay. So please listen here. So at ones place we have 7, tens place we have 1, hundreds place we have 4. Okay. So starting with the hundreds place, we can write Krishna Priya, please mute your device. 400 and then 17. 17 is 17. So 417. 417.
417.
Okay. Now, Maithili, tell me the answer. Okay, Maithili, tell me the answer. Others, please be quiet.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have the number 346. What is the answer, Maithili? 346.
346.
Very good. At the ones place we have 6, tens place we have 4, we have 3. So 300 and HUNDRED 300 and then the tens and ones place together 46. FORTY, 46. Now, Dhruva, please unmute and tell me the next one. Okay, Dhruva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have 70. What is answer 670, Dhruva?
670.
Very good. So at one space we have 0, 10 space we have 7, 100 space we have 6. So 600, 600.
And 70.
And now tens and one space together. 70. 670. Now let me ask another one. Daniel, please unmute and tell me the next one. Okay. Daniel, we have your number is 561. What is answer 561, Daniel?
Give 500.
500 and
600.
500 and
600.
what you are telling? Listen here. See? Listen. Daniel, listen here. See, 561. So please listen here. At one space we have 1, 10 space we have 6, 100 space we have 5. Okay. Now we can start with the 100 space. So here we can write 500 and 500. Now tens and one space together. 61. What is answer 61? How we will write 61? Daniel, 61. Unmute and tell me. And Daniel, unmute and tell me. 61. What is answer? 61. Unmute icon here. 61. 61. 500 and 61. Now, is it clear? Now it's time 3:40, winding up the session. Okay, and some of students I didn't ask. Austin, Malavika, and I will ask Risa and all. I will ask next day. Okay, and write the number name in the next class. And also one more thing, those who didn't write the numbers up to 1000, please write in the notebook. Pratana, Junaita, and all I will ask in the next class.
Sarah 300 right.
Okay, good.
300.